singing, hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a green-orange makeup look. This is kind of inspired by Rachel Cantu. She has a purple-yellow look that she did like last summer, and I've always kind of wanted to recreate it, so I decided I'd do a green-orange one instead because I haven't done a green eyeshadow look on my channel in a while. So that's what we're doing today. If you enjoy, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 by the end of summer. We have like 60 to go, so let's pray. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we're starting off with orange. So I'm gonna go in with this orange right here first, and then I'm gonna pile on a little bit of that orange afterwards. And I'm using a smallish brush, a small fluffy brush, just so we don't get it in the outer portion of the eye, which is where we do not want shadow. So you're just gonna put it on like the inner half of your eye, and this is gonna have to have a lot of blending. So just keep blending and doing your best. Okay, so now with the Morphe M506, we're gonna go in with this green right here and a little bit of the darker green right next to it. Go in with the lighter green first, just so you can start the blending process, and then pile on the darker green as you go. Alright, now we are going in and we're gonna do the liner using my NYX concealer and my M508 brush like I always do. So I cleaned all my brushes for you guys today, so y'all should feel so special because I cleaned my brushes, even though I know I should do that anyways. Well, I cleaned my eye brushes, not my face brushes, because I knew those wouldn't be dry in time for me to film. So Alright, now going with both of those oranges again, and you're just gonna fill in the concealer for a liner look. Okay, so far it looks something like this. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the green and orange in the crease and slightly blend it out. Pop on my lashes, do my other eye, and then we'll be back for the face. Okay, so the eyes are done. I love them. I'm proud. So I'm gonna go with my Milani Prime Perfection. And this is a hydrating base, but it doesn't have any like glitter or shimmer in it, which I really like, because sometimes like glittery primers are really pretty, but sometimes I'm just like, no, not today. So we're just gonna go in with this. And then for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. And for concealer, probably my Maybelline Fit Me. And then set with my Maybelline Fit Me powder as well. And yep, that's that. So I'm gonna use my butter bronzer to bronze. Obviously my base is all done. I told you what products I use, blah 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 blah. But yeah, I'm using my butter bronzer, and I don't really have that much to talk about. I'm either going to Ulta today or tomorrow, and I'm excited because your girl wants some new makeup. I'm getting really excited about my concert in a few weeks. I still don't know what I'm wearing yet. I haven't bought anything, so your girl's slacking. I want to buy a light up mirror on Amazon and a knockoff of the Morphe 35B palette, since they don't sell it anymore. I think they're gonna come out with something with James Charles for like a number 2, but I still like, I can't wait much longer. I don't know. I might wait until I see what that palette is, but the Morphe palette would also be more expensive, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna bronze, and then I think I'm gonna gonna put a little bit of bake under my bronzer because I've been seeing a lot of people do that lately. So I'm gonna do that. And then for blush, I'm just gonna use my Tarte Feisty one. And then I'll be back for the under eyes and highlight. Okay, so the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in with those two greens super lightly. I don't want this to be too crazy. And I decided to do green because there's so much orange on the top. I wanted to have more of the green on the bottom, just so everything's kind of like evenly, like a fair share amount. Okay, so for inner corner highlight, I'm going in with my Laura Geller Peach Glow, and then I will also be using a mixture of this and the Becca Champagne Pop on the rest of my face. So, what have you guys been up to? How was your summer? Tell me all about it. I've not done really anything too special. My summer's not been that eventful. I'm just like trying to focus on YouTube and stuff right now, and like building my channel and growing and becoming a Jaclyn Hill. Oh my god, that'd be freaking amazing. Like, I wish I could be Jaclyn Hill or like Rachel Cantu. Oh my god, I just wish I was like, oh my god, I would love to like collab with Rachel or Jaclyn and like be their friend. Oh my god, that'd be, oh my god, I can't even. Alright guys, this is my final look. This is my green orange Rachel Cantu inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is just like up close and personal. I love you all so much. Let me know any video requests down below. I have a few in mind, but like I need some other products before I can do them. And I'm kind of running out of ideas, so if you have any, let me know. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my little face. And like I said, let's try and reach 500. That would be absolutely amazing. So yeah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, babies.
Say,